Hey everyone! Today, I'm sharing the top 5 best free online courses with certificates that actually work. Let's dive in. First up, the Google IT Support Professional Certificate on Coursera. This is a fantastic starting point if you're curious about IT, even if you have zero experience. Google designs the course and covers all the basics you need for an entry-level IT support job. You'll learn about computer assembly, operating systems, system administration, troubleshooting, customer service, networking, and security. It's self-paced so that you can study at your own pace. And most people finish in about 6 months with just a few hours each week. You can even apply for financial aid to get the certificate for free. Top employers like Walmart, Hulu, and Google recognize the certificate. So by the end, you'll have real skills and a professional certificate to make your resume stand out. Next, Harvard's CS50, Introduction to Computer Science on EDX. This is one of the most respected computer science courses in the world, taught by Harvard professors. The best part? It's free to audit so that you can access all the lectures, assignments, and projects at no cost. CS50 is great for both beginners and those with some coding experience. You'll learn programming in C, Python, and JavaScript, and tackle real-world problems in algorithms, data structures, and web development. The course is challenging, but super rewarding, and there's a strong community to help you out. If you want a verified certificate, you can apply for financial assistance. This certificate is highly respected by employers and universities, making it a great way to prove your coding skills. The third one is Digital Marketing Fundamentals from Google Digital Garage. If you're interested in marketing, social media, or starting your own online business, this course is for you. It's designed for beginners and covers all the essentials: SEO, analytics, content marketing, email campaigns, and online advertising. The course is split into short modules so that you can learn at your own pace. It's completely free, and after you finish all the modules and pass the final assessment, you'll get an official certificate from Google. This is an addition to your CV or LinkedIn, and the skills you learn can help you grow a business or land a marketing job. At number 4, the Data Science Micro-Bachelor's Program by IBM on EDX. This beginner-friendly series introduces you to data science, starting with Python programming, then moving on to data analysis, visualization, and even machine learning. You can audit the courses for free and learn at your own pace. If you want a certificate, you can apply for financial aid. The certificate comes from IBM, a global tech leader, which is a big plus for your LinkedIn or resume. The skills you gain are in high demand across many industries. Finally, Project Management Principles and Practices from the University of California, Irvine, on Coursera. This course is perfect if you want to lead teams, manage projects, or get more organized. You'll learn project management essentials like planning, scheduling, risk management, and effective communication. The course includes real-world case studies and practical assignments, and it's self-paced to fit your schedule. You can apply for financial aid to get the certificate for free. A project management certificate from UC Irvine is valuable in any industry and shows employers you have the skills to lead and deliver results. And there you have it, 5 free online courses with certificates that work. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more tips. And check out my next video. 3 best free malware removal tools you can trust, right here at the top right corner for more ways to level up your skills. See you next time.